Hi there, thank you for logging on. June the 5th, Tuesday afternoon. It is 20 to 4 and a powerful storm front is currently crossing the coast, moving from Illawarra to Sydney. It is going to move through the Greater Hunter throughout this evening and continue its path northward along the mid-north coast, the northern rivers and southeast Queensland overnight and into tomorrow, which will be Wednesday the 6th of June. It's packing some powerful wind gusts, consistent wind gusts of beyond 100 kilometres an hour along the exposed coastal fringe. There's a heavy rain band associated with this system. Cold air as well, so we'll probably see some snow across the higher peaks of the Barringtons and also over the tablelands around Guyra and around Armidale. It's a very, well, I'll just take you back to the satellite. It's just a very well organised system, a very distinct line there, a powerful pressure gradient, a lot of cold air in the upper parts of the atmosphere, and this whole system, it's a complex low. We say complex low because it has multiple centres. One of those centres is going to run right along the coastal fringe overnight, and that's what's going to make this system particularly dangerous. It's also going to coincide with the King high tide due to last night's full moon. That's at about 9 p.m, so we'll probably see a storm surge, particularly around the central coast and the low-lying areas of the Greater Hunter as that system moves through, because the weight of the atmosphere will be quite low, the powerful onshore winds and that high tide. We may see the highest watermarks on record. We could break that 1974 record. There's the winds tracking up with it, some powerful southerly winds moving quickly up the coast. It's just got nothing in its way. That's why it's moving so fast. So it's going to be a real powerful blast for about 2 to 3 hours, 4 hours, settling down somewhat behind it, but you'll still have heavy showers and rain periods. Look at the swell here. It's dramatically going to change overnight. It's off the scale. Our scale here is up to 4 metres in the southern parts, south of about Port Macquarie. We're expecting that swell to hit 7 metres. It's an amazing, powerful system. It'll move through with that initial blast, which will be particularly dangerous, probably causing some downed trees and power lines, maybe blackouts as well. So it's going to be a bit of a tough night to get through, but it will move quite quickly, and we'll check in with this situation again right here in the coming days. But overall, expect some very cold temperatures and more rain, particularly along the coast, and the risk of snow across the peaks as well.